Look how well it's growing. It's got something growing on top of it, like some sort of buds. Don't you think this is interesting? Take a good look at it. And just think, this is what the plant I planted in a coffee container before. And it was small and it grew so big. This is part of my experiment that I covered a couple days ago. This is very interesting. See, get closer. Let's get closer to these things. See how interesting it is? Nice. Let's take another look around this nice and beautiful yard. Birds are singing their songs. Hear the birds singing? I find the sky very interesting. Thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe.